As an Elvis Tribute Artist, I travel the United States performing for thousands of people and checking out all the great things that these cities have to offer. I'm Dean Z, and I'm in your town for one night only. We are here in West Rutland checking out some of the amazing marble quarries that help put Vermont on the map. A little Teen Wolf action going on here. This quarry right here was actually owned by one of Vermont's very first senators, Senator Proctor, and he was instrumental in getting the marble from here to our nation's capital.
It's heavy. I can't quite move it. Oh, God. That is some heavy stuff.
At its height, this quarry was the largest in America, and its stones even built the Supreme Court. Where we're standing right now was actually part of the original quarry here. The interesting thing about it is some of the workers would write on the walls to kind of document what was happening. John M.C., there's the other C, McCormick, was killed by the train on Wednesday, and then F, February 5th, we can complete it here, at 6 p.m. You know, you read a lot about our country's history in books, but to see it here in the walls, this is about the people who helped build our country. And that's really special to see their names right here, right in front of you. But today, the quarry serves a much different purpose. Artists from all over the world come here to the Rutland Carving Studio to work with this amazing stone. You think, ladies and gentlemen, that I'm doing laundry? You'd be mistaken. This is marble hanging from this steel wire. This one's been out here a little bit too long, I think. A few miles south, America's finest cheese can be found at CROWLEY Cheese. Where we're standing right now, this is one of the oldest cheese factories.
It actually is the oldest. The building's been here since 1882, but it really started in 1824. The CROWLEYs, like a lot of local farmers, had cows and made their own cheese, and they happened to do it particularly well. We get our milk from a single farm here in Vermont, and then we make the cheese entirely by hand, exactly as it's always been made here at CROWLEY.
Well, we start out with about 3,500 pounds of milk a day. Give us about 350 pounds a day if we're lucky. That's actually a steam chamber inside the stainless steel.
How long does it take to actually?
6.5 hours start to finish.
6.5 hours start to finish.
From the time I get the milk in there to the time it's in the press.
My goodness, there's so many flavors. And this is all the CROWLEY brand, but it's all these different flavors. We've got smoked garlic, fresh chive, garlic chive, sage. Oh yeah, this is the best cheese I've ever eaten in my life. It is so good. Oh, Galen, thank you so much. This was an amazing experience. If you guys are ever in Healdville, Vermont, check out CROWLEY Cheese. You will not be disappointed. So much history, so much flavor. Come out here and take this home with you. Delicious.
Check 1, 2. Now, Mike, as far as this mic is